Ramrao Institute of Technology was established in 1983. It is the first institute established under the banner of D.Y. Patil Group. Since we are under the ambit of D.Y. Patil deemed to be university, we have got a flexibility in designing our curriculum and offering new courses under the banner of D.Y. Patil deemed to be university. To meet the challenges and to upgrade the students as per the requirement of industry, we have designed our curriculum which is in line with the industry requirements. So our Chancellor Sir has given us approval to set up new laboratories on the cutting edge technologies like data science, IoT, Apple in education, Intel, cyber security, robotics, cyber physical system. These are the cutting edge technologies, and we have set up a lab on these cutting edge technologies. These facilities are created for the students so that they are industry ready. Since we have set up these laboratories, we need some tools for the simulation purpose. So we got an approach from DesignTech for a campus-wide license of MATLAB, and we accepted this MATLAB wide campuses. Now our students, research scholars are extensively using MATLAB for the simulation purpose. These simulations are helping them to understand the real-time application and the behavior of systems in real time, and once they are comfortable, these simulations are converted into a real-time projects.
The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Ramrao Adik Institute of Technology, D.Y. Patil deemed to be university, hosts B.Tech programs in Electronics and Computer Engineering, B.Tech program in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and we are happy to share that we are also starting a new B.Tech program in Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. The department has been established for last 20 years and it has been spearheading the research and teaching and learning in electronics, electronics and telecommunication and allied fields. In our journey, MATLAB and Simulink have been our torch bearers, and they have helped us in the teaching learning process as well as research. The department hosts state-of-the-art laboratories in niche domains like robotics and drones, IoT, 5G communication and other advanced areas, cyber physical systems and smart grid. In all of these laboratories, MATLAB is an important ingredient in our research and teaching and learning. Our faculty members hold PhDs in allied domains to electronics and telecommunication engineering, and almost all of them have used MATLAB and Simulink in their research, in their doctoral research. Also, our faculty members and students have been extensively using MATLAB and Simulink in the teaching learning process. MATLAB has helped us in refining and designing our pedagogy, our curriculum and in our evaluation also. The use of MATLAB has been very extensive in our department, and I am very happy to tell that our journey with MATLAB and Simulink has been very exciting, amazing and interesting. We are thankful to MathWorks and DesignTech for all the help and support they have provided. They have helped us in training, in installation, in solving our queries, troubleshooting, even helping us with our R&D and teaching and learning process. I have been personally using MATLAB and Simulink since my graduate and PhD work. I have used extensively MATLAB in modeling very complex systems like nuclear reactors and heat process systems, and I have found out that without MATLAB, I would not have been possible to do all my fundamental and impactful research that I have carried out.
Department of Information Technology is having variety of courses in computing as well as application domains. The subjects like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, web development subjects, they are having laboratory hours. For that, the experimentation is done with MATLAB. For example, classification learner app is the most popular app among students, and they are developing machine learning models. They are executing pre-trained models as well. On the research side, our PhD scholars making use of various toolboxes for the simulation as well as for the research work. One of the students have come up with wonderful contribution in the domain of cryptography. With that student, we have developed a visual cryptography approach for the authentication. Implementation of visual cryptography is done in the MATLAB environment, and those results are now being used for the authentication purpose, which is having the equivalent robustness with respect to two-factor authentication. Not only that, our research scholars have come up with wonderful contributions in the research domain. They have got very good journal paper publications out of it, and students are developing the projects, they are simulating the work and proposing it for different competitions like project competitions and hackathons.
Once again, I would like to thank DesignTech for giving us opportunity to use this MATLAB campus-wide licenses, and I am sure that our students will use these licenses in future also.